Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your server or Warzone in Last War Survival. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up Last War Survival and then log in. Once you're logged in, click onto your profile, top left hand corner of the page here, and then your profile tab will appear. From here, click onto account and then click onto manage characters. Make sure your current account is linked to an email or something similar. So then click onto manage characters, and now we can go ahead and create a new character. We can't transfer your current account to a new Warzone. I think you can only do that in special events inside the game. So the other way to do it is to just simply create a new character. So go ahead and create new character. You can have a look at recommended Warzone. You can have a look at all the other Warzone tabs here. So yeah, go ahead and choose which Warzone. So say for example, I just use that recommended one. Then I'll say, would you like to enter this Warzone and create new character? You can still switch characters from the management menu, so that's pretty good to know. Then click onto yes and go ahead and create your new character to play in that new Warzone or server.